double-sided day and night kit is an exciting and brand new optional accessory for the HP Latex 1500 printer. For the first time, users can print with high accuracy on double-sided backlit or translucent media for day and night applications. As you know, backlits look great at night, but during the day, when the light is switched off, images can look oversaturated and lose some of the visual impact. Thanks to our brand new day and night kit, you can now achieve a print that looks as good at night as it does during the day. Such high print accuracy is only possible thanks to a powerful algorithm developed by over 2 years by HP software engineers. The algorithm enables the printer to achieve great registration between both sides of the printed media. When printing on side A, the machine prints these registration marks along the plot. When the job is rotated and we start to print on side B, this backlit LED strip in the platen shines through the substrate. This allows the extra line sensor located on the carriage to read the markings and automatically make any X and Y axis adjustments on the fly. The system even compensates for any skew and bowing that may occur. So a whole roll can be printed without the operator even being there. Take this example right now. The accuracy is less than 2 millimeters between both sides. It's really amazing. Packaged with the double-side day and night kit comes these frontlit and backlit LED proofing lights. They're installed here in the media output zone so you can easily inspect print quality whilst printing. And by the way, the day and night kit is also available as an upgradable accessory on the Latex 3000 series.